The department determines whether or not the candidate has passed the examination. In cases where an appearance for the final public oral examination would constitute a substantial financial hardship for the candidate, the Director of Graduate Studies may recommend to the Dean of the Graduate School that the examination be waived.
The primary application we're targeting at first is to give people a decision aid during rehabilitation, following an acute knee injury, to help them understand when they can perform particular activities, and when they can move to different intensities of particular activities, a useful thing to take a crack at.
In the photo, the wildcat's huge paws are clamped onto the side of the white safari jeep in which Chapel was a passenger. Almost as tall as the jeep on her hind legs, she appears to be forcing her muzzle into the back window.
The researchers said that the best comparison is likely a magnetar, a young neutron star with a powerful magnetic field. Magnetars also produce bright X-ray flares. While magnetars are thought to be young stars, the two flaring objects in this study reside near elliptical galaxies, which contain older stars. So the objects are likely too old to be magnetars.
Mega-droughts are comparable in severity to the worst droughts of the 20th century but are of much longer duration. A mega-drought in the American Southwest would impose unprecedented stress on the limited water resources of the area, making it critical to evaluate future risks.
On Halloween, children go trick-or-treating. They wear costumes and masks. They walk from house to house and knock on the doors. When someone opens the door, they say trick or treat. The person gives them a piece of candy. Some people give pencils, small toys, popcorn balls, or apples.
Sugar cookies are popular in December. Sugar cookies are made with flour, powdered sugar, butter, eggs, baking soda, and vanilla. The cookie dough is rolled flat and cut with cookie cutters. Popular shapes are the stars, snowmen, wreaths, candy canes, and angels. The cookies are baked in a 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes.
The American executive, unlike the British, has no connection with the legislature, and this lack of coordination between executive and legislature is one of the distinctive features of the American federal government. The Constitution guarded against executive control by disqualifying federal officials, whether civil or military, from membership in Congress.
The principle of cooperation is one of the things that set conversation apart from similar activities such as lectures, debates, arguments, and meetings. Other qualities which help to define conversation include the equal distribution of speaker rights, mutual respect among speakers, spontaneity and informality, and a non-businesslike environment.
Global warming is defined as an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. This trend began in the middle of the 20th century and is one of the major environmental concerns of scientists and government officials worldwide. The changes in temperature result mostly from the effect of increased concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.